I'm going to show you how to fix Duolingo audio playback issue. So to get started, all you have to do is just go to your app store, Play Store, and then make sure to update your Duolingo. So from here, just have to search in Duolingo, and then from there, when you already updated the app, it will show you like this. So next step will you do is go to your settings, and then from there, make sure that you have enabled your audio when you are using the Duolingo. So from there you have to go to settings, and then you have to go to applications, and then from the applications all you have to do is just type in or search Duolingo. And then once you selected Duolingo or search for Duolingo, you will just have to go to app permissions. So from app permissions, all you have to do is just locate microphone, and then from the microphone data you just have to click on app permissions and then go to microphone, and then from there you have to select allow only when using the app, or you can just ask every time. So from there, all next thing to do is just go to your storage and then make sure to clear your cache, and after that you have to restart your phone, and then that will fix your issue. So that's it. That's how to fix your Duolingo audio playback issue on 2025.